In this video, we are going to show that there are infinitely many integers x and y satisfying equations x plus y equal to 100 and the greatest common divisor of x and y being 5. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to look at this greatest common divisor. The greatest common divisor of x and y equal 5. So since the greatest common divisor of x and y is 5, what do we have? That means that 5 divide both x and y. And 5 is the greatest common divisor of x and y. So that means that we have 5 divide x and 5 divides y. So by divisibility, what do we have? So we will have integers q1 and q2 such that x equal to 5q1 and y is 5q2. Okay, great. Now what next? So what happened to this equation? We will substitute this x and y into these equations. Okay. Then equation x plus y equal 100. What does it becomes? It becomes 5q1 plus 5q2 equal 100. And we factorize 5, we can have 5q1 plus q2 equal 100. And we have q1 plus q2 equal to 20. Okay. Now we have q1, q2, which are integers, equal 120. It's like you have, okay, so in view of coordinate geometry, if this is q1 axis, q2 axis, what do we have? We're gonna have a straight line, right? So we're gonna have a straight line. This is x plus y, q1 plus q2 equal 20. At this point is 0.20, 0. This point is 0.020. As you can see, there will be infinitely many points so that this equation is satisfied. So you may have 0.119, 218, 317, and many more. Okay. So there will be infinitely many points on this straight line satisfying this equation. Okay. For example, you may have 0, 20, which is 0 plus 20 equal to 20. 1 and 19, so you can have 1 plus 19 equal to 20. And there are infinitely many points on this straight line satisfying this equation. Okay, so as you can see, they are ends. Okay, how do we say this? They are infinitely many how do you say it? Many q1 and q2. Okay, let me say this. So from this straight line right here, as you can see, which satisfy, I gotta say which satisfy for infinitely many coordinates q1, q2, where q1 and q2 are integers. Okay, and those coordinates are on this straight line. Okay, For example, you may have 317, you may have minus 5, 25, you may have minus 10, 30. You can have 30 minus 10, you can have 29 minus 9. Okay, so there are infinitely many coordinates where q1 and q2 are integers. Or you might say the set of solutions, okay, the set of solutions is, I gotta say this, is going to be ordered pair. Let's use A and B, okay? Let's use A and B such that A plus B equal to 20 and A and B are integers, which is a countably infinite set. That's it. Okay? Therefore, they are infinitely many integers x and y satisfying x plus y equal 100, and the greatest common divisor of x and y being 5. Okay, that's the proof of this problem. So we have shown that there are infinitely many integers x and y satisfying the equations x plus y equal 100, and the greatest common divisor of x and y is 5. That's it for this video.